Hi guys, welcome back to I Eat Pie Vlogs. So today is a bit of a different day. Today I'm going to be starting a series called Bake with Aleah because why not? So today I'm going to be making a pizzookie. If you don't know what pizzookie is, it's kind of just like a big cookie. Yeah, it's just a big cookie. I don't have my pan out, but anyways, but today what you need: bowl, chocolate chips, brown sugar. This is a vegetarian. Yes, this is a vegetarian pizzookie because it was the only one that had all the ingredients that I have. So then we have baking soda, baking powder, pure vanilla extract, and then oil. And then you need un egg. You need butter and sugar and yeah. So basically, what we do, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the butter. Oh, should plan this better. Anyways, so we need 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Yes, of butter. Okay. Scoop our butter into here. Beautiful. Gotta get it nice and clean. Also, I am not a professional, or yeah, I'm not the best at baking, so you don't want to take lessons from me. Do it the proper way. I'm not gonna be doing this the proper way. What's next? The brown sugar. We got our brown sugar. A 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. It's basically just me baking in the pot. How wonderful. Unless you want to bake with me. Bake with me! I'm just going to talk. So, today at school was pretty good. We have a new substitute because my teacher went for cataract surgery. So we have a substitute. Also, guys, look, I'm all burgundy. Wow. Wow. I'm really weird, okay? And I'm gonna get 1/2 cup of white sugar. Is that what it's called? Granulated sugar. I don't know what it's called. Beautiful, beautiful. I washed my hands. The next time I do this, which probably will be soon. But the next time I do this, you guys should leave comments down below so I can like answer your questions while baking. You know? Olive oil, 1/4 cup. Where's your sack? I need a 1/4 cup. Not a 1/4 cup. Anyways, so my sister is learning electric guitar, and I want her to teach me because it's a really cool instrument. And my friend plays bass, and so they're not the same, but they're sort of similar. Tell me if I'm wrong, I don't know. And so, yeah, I want her to teach me because she's taking lessons. Life's been not that bad recently, so. Okay, what am I? Okay. Okay, there we go. I just woke up, get a sorry baby, I'm sorry. Okay, now I add my 1 egg. Beautiful. I'm sorry, Gibbo. Graham's always trying to make him say dada. Once you add your egg, you mix it all up. Okay, now we're gonna add the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, whatever. I got a half cup. Okay, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I got my all-purpose flour here. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but baking's like so fun for me. It's fun because then you get to eat it. My friend said I remind her of like Zendaya because Zendaya likes to eat a lot. And I like food, so you know. Baking powder. You got your baking soda. Wait, is it a half a baking soda to this? Okay. Baking soda is so pretty. It's like sparkly. And then magic baking powder. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Spoon of salt. Delicious sea salt. Forgot to add my vanilla extract. 1 tea. Oopsies. It's a little more than a teaspoon, but doesn't matter. We're baking. Okay. Let me go through this. I've done my egg. I've done my vegetable oil, flour, baking powder, soda, sugar, salt. I don't know. Okay. Now we a cup of milk chocolate chips. To me. Now I get my pan. It's so weird. Like they don't tell me if I grease it or not. They don't tell me the temperature, how long I put it in the oven. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna make like a mini one of this, and I'm gonna make the rest of them cookies. Oh, because we don't have a cast iron or skillet thing, except for this little dude. But I'm gonna put caramel in it. It's gonna be really good. Okay. So, new spoon. Spoon me out. Okay. So, pretty sure I have to grease it. Honestly, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just following recipes and making messes. And hopefully making good food. So, we'll see. Okay. Wait, I probably didn't have to do that because there's oil in here. Maybe it is. I don't know. Okay, got one thing. I'm gonna preheat the oven. I think I want to use cupcake liners. Put it on the edges and like fill it in, but like not fully, and then put dollop of the caramel and close it on top. Let's see how that turns out. Okay. Okay. Okay, where's my caramels? Caramel. Okay. I'm gonna make little dough balls. Complication. Okay. These are wrappers. I have to unwrap them. Frustration. I'm weird. Okay. My hands are so greasy now. Delicious. I have 2 caramels left. Delicious and nutritious. It was not nutritious. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this in here for like 20 minutes. And see how my babies are doing. I'm gonna put the skillet in there too. Okay, timer. Okay. Well, see you guys when they're done. Hello! We're back. We're back. Ooh. Say hello, Gibba. Okay, so they just came out of the oven and they're still super hot, but what's that face? But I'll show you what they look like. Okay. Say hello.
Hi, hi.
He says hello. Okay, so these are the cookies. I put caramel in the middle, so it should be pretty good.
Ma.
And then when the parents come out, we'll show us eating them.
Ma. Ma. Ma.
Are you excited to trust them? They're still really hot. Are you excited? He's so excited. Yeah, look at that dance. Okay, we're going to be trying these cookies.
Me.
Okay. Yeah. No, no touch.
Bye.
Hot. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Let's see if this has a caramel pull. Oh, that doesn't. Anyways, there's caramel. Why is the lighting so bad?
Bye.
Gibbo, we have ice cream.
That's right. Oh, this. Oh, you put one in there and then the rest of me cookie. Okay. Ooh, caramel in the middle.
You got it on the counter.
Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Ooh, still nice and warm. Like you put it in the middle and then rolled it up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Did you show them the ooey gooey goodness?
Try to, yes.
Oh, there's no light over there.
Ooey gooey. Good. Yeah.
No,
There's-
you have to turn the light on.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Anyways, there's caramel.
I wish my video would have turned out. I made brownies today, and then it didn't even record it. What? Look, it's a little bit hot.
You know what they need? The ice cream. Is that an ants?
Hot.
Pizzookie and ice cream are just perfect together. They just have to go together. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I did enjoy your delicious cookies. So did you know?
Yeah. So with the rest of it. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
So say bye.
Bye.